is a hero for electric bike builders everywhere who want to create an electric bike on a budget. He wins the award for creating a mid-drive bike from the ground up with very limited resources. Not only did he have a budget of less than $200 in a 12-year project that he put much of his extra time in. Where he lives, electric bike parts are non-existent, and electric bike part vendors do not ship to Pakistan. Nonetheless, through hard work and perseverance, Naeem was able to achieve an efficient, fast, and reliable electric bike. Naeem created an electric bike where the main component, the motor, was a scrap Toyota fan motor, rewound by Naeem's own hands several times until achieving the desired voltage and efficiency. This is just one example of many on how this bike was created. The controller was custom created using solenoids pulled from car starters, and used in sequence to have a 3-step throttle. The 3 solenoids changed the bike from an 18-volt, a 24-volt, and then finally to a 30-volt. The gear reduction is a myriad of cogs and sprockets, all lovingly pulled from a junkyard wasteland. Although the bike's appearance is not pretty, it does perform, and it performs well. Because it is essentially a mid-drive running through the pedal gears, this bike is able to achieve speeds of 40 miles per hour on level ground. And does so surprisingly reliably and safely, given that it is constructed from available resources which are junkyard parts. Naeem always dreamed of building his own electric bike, before he had internet and even knew that electric bikes existed. It started with wanting an electric car, but cars in Pakistan are hard to come by for working class people. Bicycles, however, are plentiful and cheap, so it made sense that an electric bicycle be built. The day he finally completed his build, after acquiring the most expensive component, a lead-acid battery, he had a bad crash on the bike when his throttle froze wide open, and he had to lay the bike down to avoiding hitting some lady. Pedestrians. Not only was he moderately injured in the crash, but he also destroyed his precious battery, which set him back a few more months until he could save to buy another one. To give you an idea of the challenges Naeem faced when building this bike, here is an experiment where he is making an alternator built into the front wheel, using magnets from salvaged hard drives, which are glued to the plywood disc and bolted onto the front wheel spokes. When using the drag of a generator to recharge the battery a small amount while you are slowing down, it is called regeneration, or regen. Even if the amount of charge going into the battery from this is small, regen is also a brake that never gets hot or fades with hard use.